Hi, I'm Stacy with WTI. Are you looking for a cool, easy, quick breeze? If you are, then you need to go with this little air conditioner. This is from Symphony and it's the Arctic Circle. I'm really impressed with the quality of this little mini AC. I had one of these in the past and have to admit that it was not made well at all. This one is made of very durable materials with lots of thoughtful design. This machine sits nicely on your desk thanks to its padded feet. It also has a very durable handle so you can move it around as needed if you want to put it into a different room. The machine has an adjustable panel in the front so you can have that airflow going in whatever direction that you would like. It has 3 settings so you can adjust the fan from low to high and have lots of nice cool breeze. To change or to clean the pad, all you have to do is pull it out from the back and you can see how the machine works. So it's a simple design, but yet you do get a really cool breeze out of this machine. It comes with a USB to USB-C cord, and that's how it operates. This machine is perfect for this time of year when you really fully don't need a full-blown air conditioner, but you can use this to cool off, and it provides with a nice direct airflow, giving you the right cool off that you need. I would say this machine is well worth it because of its great materials and being able to cool me down whenever I need to. And that's just my point of view.